Lesson number 9. Let's start. Personal pronouns. Number 9. So, personal pronouns. Let's start, of course, with ya. Ya also is the last letter of the Russian alphabet. Ya, and it means I, me. Ya. Practice with me out loud. Try to imitate my pronunciation. Ты, you. Informal. Ты, you. Ты, он, he. Она, she. When O is not stressed, pronounce it as A. Она, but stress this vowel. Она, she. Она, she. Оно, it. Оно, again, O not stressed, pronounce it as A. Оно, it. Мы, we. Вы, you guys, plural, or singular but formal. Вы, formal, you. And они. Again, O will be pronounced as A here. Они, they. Вы, you, formal or plural. Они, they. Очень хорошо. Now let's review some vowels. Practice with me out loud. Copy my pronunciation. It will improve your speaking skills, your pronunciation skills. A, O, E. A, O, E. A, O, E. Very good. Next. O, A, E. O, A, E. O, A, E. O, A, E. O, U, U. O, U, U. O, U, U. Good. I, U. I, U, U. I, U. Very good. E, O, A. E, O, A. E, O, A. Great. I, O, A. I, O, A. I, O, A. O, E, U. O, E, U. O, E, U. Да. И, А. И, А. И, А. Отлично. Great. Next. У, О. У, О. О. У, А, О. У, А, О. У, А, О. У, А, О. Now let's include some consonants. U, M, P. U, M, P. U, M, P. Great. B, U, M. B, U, M. B, U, M. B, U, M. Very good. I, B, ща. I, B, ща. Отлично. Great. So, I, B, ща. I, B, ща. Хорошо. Next will be... oh, we don't have time. So, That's all for today. See you tomorrow. Целую вас. Чмоки-чмоки. Don't forget to like and subscribe.